My dear children, in this module, we are going to study the super profits method. This is the second method for calculating the amount of goodwill or valuation of goodwill. Under this method, goodwill is calculated on the basis of super profits, that is, the excess of actual profit over the average profits. In the previous method, we have studied or learned that goodwill equal to weighted average profits into number of profits or number of years purchase. Under simple average profit method, goodwill equal to average profit into number of years purchase. In this method, that is super profit method, goodwill can be calculated as super profits into number of years purchase. Goodwill is calculated on the basis of super profits, that is, the excess of actual profits over the average profits. Average profit means total profit divided by number of years. Let me ask one question. How can you calculate the amount of super profits? Super profits equal to actual profits minus normal profit. Actual profits already given in the problem. Then normal profits. This is a new term for you. So next we are going to calculate the procedure for calculating normal profit. The equation for calculating normal profit equal to capital invested or capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Then you will get the amount of normal profit. For solving the problem, what are the important steps to be taken for calculating the amount of goodwill? The first we have to enter or write the equation for calculating goodwill, that is super profit into number of years purchase. Then second step is to calculate the equation for super profits. Super profit equal to actual profits or average profits minus normal profit. Then next step is to write the equation for calculating normal profit. Normal profit equal to capital invested or normal or capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Now we are going to calculate the amount of capital employed. Sometimes the amount of capital employed already given in the problem, otherwise not given in the problem. In that situation, our duty is to calculate the amount of capital employed. There are three methods for calculating the amount of capital employed. First method is by adding equity or shareholders funds with the amount of long-term debt. Then you will get the amount of capital employed. Then equity includes share capital. Share capital also includes equity share capital and preference share capital, reserves and surpluses, accumulated profits, profit and loss account credit balance. Sometimes preliminary expenses or discount on issue of shares or debentures, that is fictitious assets, may be given in the problem. In that situation, we have to deduct the amount of preliminary expenses and discount on issue of shares and debentures from the total of equity share capital, preference share capital, reserves and surpluses, and profit loss account credit balance. Then you will get the amount of shareholders funds or equity. Then add the amount of debentures, long-term loans, long-term provisions with the amount of equity. Then you will get the amount of capital employed. This is the first step for calculating the amount of capital employed. My dear children, now we are going to solve one problem. Calculate the amount of goodwill under super profit method. The given informations are: company earned a profit of 48,000, then capital employed of rupees 2 lakh, normal rate of return of 15%, then number of years purchase of 3. With the help of this information, we are going to solve the problem or calculate the amount of goodwill. The first step is to write down the equation for calculating goodwill. Goodwill equal to super profit into number of years purchase. The next step is to calculate the amount of super profit. Super profit equal to average profit minus normal profit. Here average profit also given. Last year's profit given, that is 48,000. The next step is to calculate the amount of normal profit. Normal profit equal to capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. That is 2 lakh into 15% divided by 100. That is how much? How much is the amount of normal profit? 30,000. The next step is to calculate the amount of super profit. Super profit equal to average profit minus normal profit. That is 48,000 minus 30,000 equal to 18,000 is the amount of super profit. The next step is to calculate the amount of goodwill. Goodwill equal to super profit into number of years purchase. That is 18,000 into 3 equal to 54,000 is the amount of goodwill under super profit method.